Like in last class, we were talking about neurological basis of speech production, and there we were looking at nervous system, and we have seen that we have medulla oblongata and we have pons. So these two part of your brain is responsible for signaling of breathing. So medulla oblongata is having two part. One is dorsal respiratory group and another is ventral respiratory group, as you can see here in the figure, right? The blue area having two parts, dorsal and ventral. Fine. So this dorsal and ventral, these are, you can understand as respiratory rhythmicity centers, which is regulating the movement of diaphragm as well as the contraction of intercostal muscle, right? The signaling comes from this, that when it has to go down and when it has to go up, right? Let's say for someone, if it is not working properly, they cannot breathe it. Fine. Another part is pons, which is having two centers, as you can see here in the figure. One is pneumotaxic and another is neostic. So this pneumotaxic and neostic, these two centers are regulating the rate of respiration, right? So like in 1 minute, how many inhalation and how many exhalation will take place. So that is regulated by pons. So as far as neurological basis of respiration is concerned, signaling is coming from medulla oblongata and from the pons. Both of that together is regulating respiration. I hope it is clear to you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. One more thing which I would like to say here, that the nerves which is connected to this medulla oblongata and that is controlling the movement of diaphragm is known as phrenic nerve. As you can see here in the figure, it has been highlighted. Phrenic nerve, right, which is controlling the movement of diaphragm. Fine? Clear?
Yes, sir.